Hello YouTube, it's mower maintenance week today, or this whole week. I washed off the push mower. You've seen that video. I gotta do the Honda. It's set like last half of the summer. I never use it. I use this thing. This thing's dusty, but it's holding up. I wish this would pick up the original color, because this thing is a dark orange like a pumpkin, okay? It's not bright like it shows up on YouTube sometimes, so it's getting a little dirty. I'm going to use simple green or purple power, whatever I can find. See how filthy that is? Just do a little quick touch up. I do have a spare air filter for that. I got the whole thing. They're only $5 for that air filter. That's that custom nut I made on the little nano lathe one time. Made out of a piece of heck. See that? There's another nut underneath it so it double locks. See that? Ain't that cool? Anyway, enough of that. Let's get to work. We're going to wash that and clean it up. I'm on my yard. We'll let you see it. Look at that. Not too bad for this old antique mower, huh? Mows pretty level. Okay, stay tuned for more if you're bored. That started on the third pole. I was almost out of gas, and I let it run out of gas in the carburetor before I started last summer. The last time I used it, so sounds pretty good. The oil's still clean, hasn't been used much. Okay, this is what we're going to use. We're out of purple power, awesome. We're out of everything. That's all we got left in the shop. Then we got some rinse water, so we're probably going to dilute that down a little bit. So here we go. Here's the before picture. We'll take a picture how grungy it is. Stay tuned. Okay, this looks pretty good. We'll spin you around and show you the other side. And here's the other side. I did use paper towels to wipe everything off, but just sprayed a cleaner. What I had, I even diluted it 50-50. But there you go. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's clean. One more thing before we go, I want to show you my old push mower. It's locked up again because I mowed with it today, a few hours ago. And next time I go to use it, it'll pull over easier, but it's hot, it's still warm, and it's locked up. So I'm going to try to attempt to show you when I pull on the rope, if you can see how hard I am pulling it. If you noticed the video when I started the other day, how the mower lifted clear off the ground, I was trying to pull the rope, it was locking up. And it only run a couple minutes, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Okay, it's gotten better after it's sat washing on the mower, but it's... See how hard that is to pull? I'm trying to put my gut against it. That's really hard to pull over. But it's still working, so we'll run it till it don't go anymore. Once again, thanks for watching.